Hello everyone, welcome. So today we are doing the viral latte makeup look. Yes, the latte makeup look, the one that we've all been seeing all over our FYP, our timelines, everywhere. I get it. What is not there to like look at this. What is not there to like? I would want that on my face. I know you want it on your face too, and that is why we are here. So without further ado, let us get right into today's video. When you hear latte makeup look, you see this effortless, glowy, dewy, warm, neutral tone makeup look. This look is such a beautiful look that it looks good on every skin tone. But to achieve a look like this, you would need a strong base for your makeup to stay. So I'm going to start off with this facial toner from Simple. This is just going to help reduce the production of oils and remove any unnecessary dirt that is left. To top that off, I'm going in with my vitamin C face serum from Dr. Rashel and their vitamin C face cream. This combo is the best combo for those of you that are looking for clear, even skin tone. Trust me, try it and you will thank me later. I'll go in with my vitamin C serum first, and then I'll go in with the face cream, and I'll blend and let everything sit and melt into my skin. I'm going to use this Vaseline. This is Vaseline Lip Balm Lip Therapy, and I'm going to apply this all over my lips. I love to mix products up. Speaking of mixing products, I'm using this too. This is MAC Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Primer, and this is Zikel Skin Fit Primer. But basically, you want your base to feel tacky like this when you're done, and you know you're ready for foundation. For foundation, I'm using L'Oreal's True Match Foundation in the shade Nut Brown C9. I like to use a beauty sponge to blend my foundation. I feel like a beauty sponge blends out the foundation much better than a brush, and in this case I want that skin-like effect, and the beauty sponge is going to give me that. Latte makeup is all about the warm bronzy look, which means we're going to be using a lot of bronzer for this look. I am using Jackelin's High Coverage Concealer. I'm also going to use Sparkle Beauty Super Stay Concealer. I'm going to use this to bring back warmth to my face. I'm going to apply this in the areas I normally apply, which are these areas. And I'm going to blend this out with my brush. I'm going to add a little bit of blush. I know they don't add blush in this latte makeup look, but I just want to add a little bit of color again so I don't feel like I got washed out. I'm going to use this warm red color right here, and I'll blend everything out with my beauty sponge. Now to conceal and highlight, I'm going in with just two shades. This is Jackelin True Skin High Coverage Concealer, Zikel Cosmetic HD Concealer in this shade Golden Beige. I'm going to use this to highlight and conceal all the areas that I normally highlight, which are my under eye, my forehead, my nose, my chin. I'll go in with this concealer brush, and I'll use this to just like spread the products on the places that I want it to be. And I'm going to go in with my beauty sponge to blend everything out and remove any excess products that's left in my face. I'm going to take this big powder palette from Classic Makeup. You gotta know the right shade to use for the right area. You use a color that is very close to the shade of your under eye. I'm going to use this shade right here. Blend that in. You just want to go in with like small powder, not too much. You are not baking, you are just setting. So I'm just tapping powder and dusting it off and putting back. So before I set my under eye, so I go in with a sponge to blend my eyes first before I apply powder on my eyes. and then you go in with your powder. So I'm using this shade for my bronzer, and I'm going to use my brush. So I'm going to be baking my face with Benai Luxury Powder in number 8. Start with our eye, and for the base I'm going to use the same concealer that we use for our contour. So I'm just going to apply just a bit on the lid of my eye. Use this flat brush. Take your time to spread this because you don't want it to crease on your eye. I'll go in with the brown shade that is very close to the shade of my eye base, and I'm going to use the shade as my transition shade. And I also like to wing out my eye. I'm also going to take that same powder and go underneath my eye. As I'm smoking out my eyes, I'm going underneath. I'm going to add a much darker shade, and this is just going to help intensify the wing and the smokiness. Now for the shiny parts, I'm going to take this palette, this Feeble Highlighter Setting Powder palette. It comes with some highlighter powder and some setting powder. We're going to be using this glowy one right here, and I'm just going to dip into it and go all over this with my brush. This is Ever Beauty Compact Powder, and I'm going to use this to dust off every excess dirt underneath my eyes and just dust off the bake that we did. Now for blush, my favorite part, I'm going to use this one and this one. I'm going to mix these two to get the shade that I want. We're looking cute, we're looking good, and now it's time for the lips. I'm using David's pencil in the number 18. Wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the I'm going to use this mascara from Cara. It's a 5-in-1 Lash Genius mascara. It gives volume and is very good for small lashes like mine. This ring here represents my heart. So like, I already love what I'm saying. I'll use this nude lipstick on my lips first, and then I'll go in with this lip stain from Classic Makeup, and I'll apply this right in the middle of my lips, and I'll just blend that out like so, and then go in with a lip gloss to finish that up. And for the final touch, I'll spray my face with this. Shake it very well. I'm just going to spray my face and let that just sink and melt right into my skin. And we're done, guys. We are done with this look. This look is so pretty. This is so beautiful. It's giving skin. It's glowy. You can see how my skin is glowing from every angle. It's giving dewy. It's giving warm. It's giving bronzy. Literally, that's all that there is to latte makeup look, and this look is giving latte. It's giving warm. It's giving bronzy. I really love how this look turned out, and I think I might try it again, maybe with a little bit more blush, but regardless of all, this is such a beautiful look, and I hope you guys try it. Let me know if you do. I love you guys so much. I would love to see you in my next one. Bye.